In this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove a header in Google Forms. As you can see, I have created a new Google form and we have added some questions. So once you are starting, you can start with a new form or you can use an already created one. So the next step is to go to the interface right on top over here, and here you will find the option Customize Theme. Select that option, then this menu will be opened and we can add a header into it. So click on Choose Image. Now you can browse through all the stock images of Google and just select one. Let's say we would like to use this one. So select the image, after that insert, and then the header will be inserted into our Google form. So the next step is to select a color for your theme. You can select different colors over here or you can add a custom color. Also for the background you can choose different colors. Now the next step is to show you guys how to add a custom image. So I will delete the header now, I will remove it, and this is also how you remove the header. And the next step is to click again on Choose Image. Once you have clicked on Choose Image, then you can upload custom photos. So click on Upload and then Browse. And here we can select our own images. So let's say we would like to use this image for an example. Then upload the image, click on Done, and then the header will be added with a custom logo. And as you can see, the custom logo will be added into our header. And this is how you add or remove a header in Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!